Hi friends, and welcome back to Storytime with me, DLee Santamaria. But of course, you can call me DLee. Today we're going to be reading some fun stories and I can't wait for you to explore them with me. Are you ready? Let's start off with a song. Hands up! Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello, DLee. Hello to all my friends. Hello, everyone. How are you today? Hi, friends. Okay, so we have another amazing story. Are you ready? Okay, this one is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and it's written by Mo Willems. I have a story, what could it be? I have a story, come listen and see. I have a story, what could it be? Gather round to read with me. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay? I don't know, choo! I cannot stop choo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, don't speak. It is too late. Choo! Goodbye. Gerald! Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie's a pig. Piggie's also my best friend. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie! Great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. All right, friends, till next time. I had so much fun reading stories with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. All right, friends, it's time to say goodbye. Are you ready? Great. All right, let's pick our hands up. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. One more time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. it's time to say goodbye. All right, friends, till next time, this was extra special. Thank you for taking the time to read with me. Bye.